How to delete Telegram videos from your phone's storage. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you how you can delete Telegram videos from your phone's storage, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you downloaded a video from Telegram and now you want to completely wipe it away from your phone, it's very simple. Open the Telegram application and then first of all tap the search button. Go to the download section here. When you go to download section, you'll be able to see all the videos here. In my case, I do not have any downloads, and you can clear them respectively in that way. Another thing you can do is tap the three dots option, then go to settings, then go to this option called data and storage. Then over here what you want to do is you'll be able to see all this. You can select this option called delete all cloud drafts and then just tap on the delete option here. Once you've done this, the other thing you can do is just go ahead and open the file manager application on your phone. Once you open file manager application, just go to your internal storage, and once you go to your internal storage, go to downloads. Inside downloads you'll find a Telegram folder as well, so go to the Telegram folder and you'll be able to see all the downloads that you've made inside of it. You can just select a media that you want to delete and then you'll be able to delete them respectively. That's all it takes to delete your Telegram videos that you downloaded from your phone storage. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.